In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit event in Google Calendar 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to confidently update your event without losing any important details. First, open Google Calendar. When the calendar loads, you'll land on your main view. This could be day, week, or month, depending on what you used last time. Take a moment to orient yourself so you're on the correct date. You should see your events laid out across the grid for the selected view. Next, locate the event you want to change. Scan the calendar for its title at the right date and time. If you have many entries, look carefully to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you tend to reuse similar names. Click the event to open its quick preview pop-up. This small window gives you a snapshot of the event. In that pop-up, click the pencil icon to open the full editing page. Think of this as the control center where every detail of the event can be adjusted. Now you're ready to make changes. Start with the title. Use a clear, precise name so it's easy to recognize at a glance. This is especially helpful if you share your calendar or juggle multiple meetings, then review the date and time. Adjust the start and end times as needed, and check whether all day is toggled correctly. If your event spans different time zones or overlaps with other meetings, make sure the times reflect what you actually want. This is also a good moment to ensure the duration is accurate so back-to-back events don't collide. If the event repeats, open the repetition options. The dropdown typically says something like does not repeat by default, and you can switch it to weekly, monthly, or a custom schedule. When you edit a repeating event, Google Calendar may ask whether you want to change only this event, this and following events, or the entire series. Choose carefully to avoid unintentionally changing past or unrelated future dates. You can also refine the event details, add or adjust the description so participants know the agenda or prep work, update the location if it's moved, or make sure the meeting link is correct. Clear, concise details save everyone time and prevent confusion later. When everything looks right, click Save at the top. If you edited a recurring event or one that others are attending, you may see a prompt to confirm changes. Proceed to finalize, and that's it. Your event is updated and ready to go.